Clinton with Hellgate Equipment, looking at a 2023 model New Holland Boomer 55. This tractor is technically pre-owned, but has never been used. R4 tires, four-wheel drive, detachable 260 TLA loader, skid steer, quick attach, bucket. Looks like we got holes for a cutting edge. This is a 3-speed hydrostatic, 55 horsepower, of course. This is a 2-function loader. Category 1 3-point, drawbar, 540 rear PTO, rear wiper, rear lights. Cardboard's never been taken out. Plastic fully on the seat, air ride seat. 2 rear hydraulic remotes. Sorry I didn't point that out before. Does not currently have a radio. Heat and air conditioning. .4 engine hours. Clean as a whistle.